Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to transfer from Cash App to crypto.com. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open the Cash App application. Once you open the application, make sure to log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, all you have to do is type in the amount that you want to send. After that, tap on this pay button. And then where it says to, you'll have to enter your crypto.com Bitcoin address. And if you don't know how to get it, all you have to do is open the crypto.com application and then log into your account. And once you log in, on the homepage where it says deposit, tap on it, then it will give you an address. Copy that address and then paste the address in this box. Once you do so, on the section where it says send as, scroll to the right and then select Bitcoin. Once you have selected it, tap on the next button at the top right corner. Then follow along the process, and once you complete all those processes, it will take some time to complete the transaction, and once the transaction is completed, you will be notified. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.